Hello, welcome back to Driving and Learning. My name is Oliver Lepke and I help network marketers grow their business. In today's video, there's a powerful message about how to become professional network marketer. Now, to become professional in anything, it takes about 10,000 hours to become really good in something. Pick any topic, pick any profession, pick a sport, if you want to become a really good guitar player like Hendrix, it takes about 10,000 hours to become good guitar player, to become professional. Let's say if you want to become a good tennis player, it takes about 10,000 hours to become good professional tennis player. If you want to become a good salesperson, it takes 10,000 hours to become a good salesperson. Anything you want to become, it takes approximately 10,000 hours. For some, maybe a little bit less, for some a little bit more, but that's the deal. Now, how can you become good in something? What do you want to become good in? I know some people will say, I just want to make a lot of money and become good in anything that I need to become. So think about it. If you want to become a good real estate agent, you need to become a professional, and it takes 10,000 hours to do what? To provide a good service, to show many homes, to do a lot of communication, and to do 10,000 hours. Basically, it is about 3 hours a day, every day, for 3 years. So 1 year has 365 days. Do it every day for about 3 hours a day, and do it for 3 years. You become professional every single day. And when you become a professional in something, you make a lot of money in that particular thing, whatever you pick. So you want to become a good hockey player? Practice every day for 3 hours for 3 years, and you're going to become a good hockey player. So, want to become network marketer? Do it every day for 3 hours. Spend 3 hours on prospecting, self-development, and learning, training, and building your business every day for 3 hours. And in 3 years, you're going to become so good. You're going to become professional network marketer. You're going to be able to make so much money. So the question is, what do you want to become good at? What is that service? What is that thing that you want to learn to become good, so that you can become a professional in something that you like, something that you want? Isn't that we all want? Because when you become good in something, then you can make a lot of money, you can enjoy it, you can provide great service, people will respect you, and you can enjoy life much better in any area. You can take more vacations, you can contribute more to your family, you can contribute more to good causes. So you can enjoy more, you can give more, you can provide more, and you can simply enjoy life better. So define what really you want, and define what kind of things you want to work on. Stick to it for those 10,000 hours. Now, if you do it 1 hour a day, it's going to take you about 9 years. If you want to do it in 2 years, if you want to become professional in 2 years, do it every 4 to 5 hours every day, and you're going to become professional in 2 years. That's my message for today. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking my videos. Thanks for your likes, your comments, your love, and I'll see you again in another session of Driving and Learning. Bye-bye.